Hey YouTube, it's Alicia. I'm back doing my hair and um, this is I'm going to be showing you what I've been using to mold my hair. Ugh, um, and things. So I wanted to show y'all that and stuff. So let me comb through it right quick and then. But yeah, I got other videos I'm gonna be doing for y'all. And da and stuff. So all right. So this is the product I've been reviewed earlier today. It's the Hawaiian Silk Cool Scalp Moist Mist with olive oil and vitamin E. I don't use too much, but put that in the middle sides. And it feels real good. Yeah, I just put it on while it's damp. And then I'll just rub my hands over it. Just not much because it does conditions. And I love the smell. It's like very misty. It's like hardly no scent. Okay. So we got that. And it gives a little like a little smoothness. And if you want to know why you always sometimes see me some weeks wash my hair a lot, is because I work out a lot and I sweat a lot. And I do not like my hair to be sweaty, especially when I have gotten a perm. And so we're just gonna be, so this is me kind of shaping it right quick, getting it into the way that I want it molded down. And what we're going to be using, we are going to be using the Nairobi. And it's, you know, I purchased this from Amazon, and this is one of my favorite products. And because they do not carry Nairobi in any, and I say any, of my stores here where I live in Mississippi. All right. Okay. Okay. Set that right here. Set that right there. And finna start molding. And we're gonna take this towel and we're gonna wipe. And we're gonna just that is it. I mean, this is it. I know the back needs to be cut, but I'm going to turn around and let you see the back. That is the back. But yeah, that is it. You're gonna give this is mostly it, and I just let it dry. I just let it air dry, and then I curl it or I just leave it like it is. But yeah. But if you want another in-depth of a different product, thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.